I was hoping I was wrong, but today we're gonna pull out the cylinder head of this engine and we're gonna finally see what the problem was. Last video, the car overheated after a few pulls, and this was my compression test. They are pretty even. Now we are doing a leak down test. Look at cylinder number 4. See? At this point I knew there was only one way to know for sure. Removing the head. Every bolt I removed gets me one step closer to find out if I destroy my engine. Removing the valve covers, which gives me access to the camshafts. I gotta remove the pulleys, the VVTi pulley, and then the backing. Now I can get the camshafts out of the way, and there's a sequence to take those caps out or it warp the camshaft. Dang. Take number 2. Okay. Okay, it should have something plugged on the bottom. Let's unplug it. Ooh. We're gonna make it. Okay. Oh my God, there's more. No, can't have any more. Okay, how do I get out of here now? No. There's something attached. Oh, no, there's not. Okay. Alright, so this here proves what we talk about. All of this is water, this milky thing. So one of the main things, you're gonna see steamy clean pistons right there, which means that it had water in it and the water cleaned it up. You also see that one and tells you which side the water was coming from, and all of them start getting clean on that side, and those are completely clean. So it was more in here, which is cylinder 4 and 5, and then we see here this discoloration here is not normal. It shouldn't be. It's either even everywhere, but it's white just on the back, on the intake side, and the intake side is the side where the steamy clean start happening. And now we flip the part that touches the head. Look at that, it's a little broken in there, see that? And that one the same. Look at this one, even more broken. Wow. And all of them have some sort of damage and roughness, except for this one. But yeah, look at the first one. Wow, incredible. Now we finally know what failed. This is not the end. We need to figure it out why it failed and if I can save this engine. And then I need to decide if I also need to take the block out of there, take to the shop to make it flat. So stay tuned, we're gonna find out in the next video. And